And there is a process. In the process, restitution is not one of the requisites. That correct?
Opo, pero if it's in terms of this case being a financial crime, sir, this is a crime against the
Mr. Secretary.
financial status of the Filipino people, of the Philippine Republic. I think that it's
Tama.
just right.
Mr.
that we ask.
Secretary, are you amending the provision of
No,
the law?
sir. No, sir. But that is how we run the Witness Protection Program.
Kung iniisip nito nila Rodante Marcoleta na yung paghingi ng restitution is beyond the jurisdiction of the DOJ, edi punta kayo Supreme Court. Sabihin ng pamilyang Diskaya, sabi ng DOJ, kailangan daw namin ng restitution bago kami mapasok sa witness protection. Kasi ayaw namin magbalik ng perang ninakaw namin eh. Tinan nyo how stupid that sounds kahit dali nila sa Supreme Court. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry, iisipin nila, ninakawa mo na ako, protektahan pa kita. Anong kabubuhan yun? Ang gusto ni Rodante Marcoleta, nalunukin natin lahat.